Hey guys, thanks for being here. I've been creating art content for over 40 years and I'm excited to share it with you. But what I'm most excited about is what I'm doing now, and that's fluorescent black light art. And I'm going to have an exhibit this next year, 2019, and I invite you to be there, okay? But anyways, I want to share with you how I do these paintings by recording them, and I want to create demos. I've created art demos, I don't know about, well, what? This is the first painting I recorded for you. Okay, it's a real basic. We have light here, and then it fades out, in the dark around here. So you get this tunnel effect, and it's just a real simple silhouette. You just trace it on there and just paint it in solid. Boom. And when you turn on the fluorescent light, this thing explodes. So let me show you how I did this. What? Oh, this? Oh, yeah, this is my helmet cam with rubber bands holding the camera on there. And I want to record it like a first person view. What I see, you will see. Okay? It's an experiment. My older videos I did on how to paint, it was a stationary cam, just held in one place. And it worked and all that, but this is just an experiment. See how it works and all that. Just trying something different. Okay, so anyways, let me show you how I did this painting. All right, and when we turn on the black light, it's just going to explode. Let's do this. Okay, here we go. What you see is my work table and my blue canvas, been previously painted with a water-based spray over 3 years ago. It's just been sitting here, so I decided to use that one. It still has the light center and the dark outer bands, which is what we want, because this fluorescent paint is transparent, and you want some kind of like a skeletal background to kind of keep it together. But anyways, what we're seeing here is actually not what I want to see, because the camera really isn't pointing where I want to look. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, this ain't going to work. I'm going to have to try something else.